Black Friday is back, and we've got crazy deals to save you a pile of cash. These hardened V-groove vice jaws are regularly $500, but right now, this customer favorite is on sale for just $274.97. How about unbeatable deals on tools you're using every day? These 1/2-inch diameter, 2-inch length of cut, 5-flute carbide end mills are usually $74.95. Right now, $48.97. Plus the 1/2-inch end mill holder, 50% off at only $34.97. It's probably time to stock up on both of these. And the big discounts aren't just for lower priced items. If you're doing milling and drilling on a live tool lathe, we're gonna make your day. This 90-degree live tool holder is just $1259.97. This is regularly a $2,100 tool. That is a very significant discount. And what if you're just trying to get more comfortable at your workstation? This plush anti-fatigue mat I'm standing on is on sale for just $125.97. This mat is so plush, it's like a nap for my feet. And don't miss out on our Winner's Circle program for just $10. That gets you an additional 5% off everything we sell, including these Black Friday deals. And you'll get free next day shipping on any order over $49 and under 15 pounds. So don't miss out. We've got more than 9,000 tools at HaasTooling.com. And just about every one of those tools is on sale at big discounts all the way up to 50% off. This Black Friday, get the tools you need, Winner's Circle for $10, and the best savings of the year.